So here we're going to talk about what is a proper fraction, what is an improper fraction, and what is a mixed fraction. Okay, so what we need to do is to give examples. Now, for assistance, we can go to YouTube or we can use the unit. Let's see what the unit has to say. Here we have examples under the topic of fractions. We were given examples already. Okay, so I think we can use that very same chat for proper, improper, mix. Examples of proper fractions. Let's use this parenthesis so that you can stretch, and let's put the fraction operation. Your numerator has to be smaller than your denominator for fraction to be proper, because it is expressing how many parts were taken from the whole. So that's proper. You can take 6 out of 90. Okay. No. Improper is when the numerator is bigger than the denominator. So let's say you've got 20 out of 10. Can you take 20 objects? Can you take 20 apples out of a container that has 10 apples? So that's not proper. So they call it, that's why they call it improper. Okay. You can't take out 17 oranges out of a basket with only 3 oranges. Is that possible? That's not possible. Okay. Let me just highlight this. It's impossible for you to have 3 oranges in a basket, and out of that 3, you are taking out 17, because the numerator is expressing how many was taken out from the whole. The whole is under the denominator. That's what a fraction expresses. So that's why when your numerator is bigger than the denominator, the fraction is called improper, because that's not proper. You can't take out 17 oranges out of a basket of 3 oranges. So this is why, you know, improper fractions can be converted to a mixed fraction. There is a whole number, because it does express something. Okay. 20 over 10. Well, 20 over 10 is actually 2. Remainder 0. Okay. And 17 over 3. You can write this as 3 into 17 was 6 times 6 threes. No, 5. 5 times 5 threes are 15. 17 minus 15 equals 2. That's 5 plus 2/3. Okay, so you can write it as 5 and 2/3, or you can write it as 5 plus 2/3. Okay. So for proper, you can basically say numerator smaller than the denominator. Reduce the size of this a little bit for it to fit. For the improper, you can say the numerator is greater than the denominator. And for the mix, you can basically say it's a whole plus a proper. So that 2 there is not mixed. is just 2. So let's take this out of it because there isn't a whole plus a proper, just a whole number plus a proper. So it's a whole number plus proper action. Something along that line, that's what you do for number 11, 12, and 13.